Setting up a referral program with Salesflare is a great way to incentivize your customers and leverage their network to drive more business. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set it up step by step so you can quickly start building and scaling your referral program with ease. Now, if you've never heard of Salesflare, it's an incredibly intuitive CRM that streamlines your sales process and helps you maintain strong relationships with your customers. It automates so much of the manual work, freeing up your time to focus on what matters most, growing your business. Before we jump into the setup, just know that you can get started with Salesflare completely free with our exclusive offer linked below. So, make sure to check that out to maximize your savings while testing out this amazing tool. Let's dive into the referral program setup now. The first step is to ensure your Salesflare account is connected to the referral system you want to use. Salesflare integrates smoothly with a lot of external tools, so connecting with platforms like Referral Candy or Yotpo is easy. This step usually just takes a few clicks. Once connected, the next step is to define the terms of your referral program. You'll need to decide on things like, what will the reward be for referrals? Will it be a discount, free product, or cash? And importantly, how will you track successful referrals? Now, Salesflare makes this easy by providing a detailed overview of your customer's journey. By using automation, you can set triggers for when to notify your customers about the referral program and send them a link to refer friends. This automation takes care of the heavy lifting, so you can focus on your strategy rather than spending time on manual follow-ups. Here's where Salesflare shines: their data analytics. You can see exactly who's referring the most, track your best performing campaigns, and monitor customer activity in real time. This helps you tweak your strategy quickly and efficiently. You can even create a personalized message for each referral, making the process more human and building stronger connections with both your existing and new customers. It's also crucial to make the program as seamless as possible for your customers. This is why Salesflare integrates well with your email campaigns. You can easily send personalized invites to your customers, notifying them about your referral program. You could also set up automatic emails that thank your customers every time they refer someone. Don't forget to test the program after you set everything up. Salesflare allows you to see everything from your customer's point of view, ensuring that the referral process is smooth and easy. It's important to iron out any kinks early on, so your referral program runs like a well-oiled machine. Now let's quickly talk about measuring success. You'll want to track key metrics like the number of successful referrals, the conversion rate of those referrals, and the lifetime value of referred customers. With Salesflare, these metrics are automatically updated, so you don't have to spend time gathering data. This makes it easier to optimize your referral program for maximum growth. In conclusion, setting up a referral program with Salesflare is simple, efficient, and automated. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to scale their business and engage with customers in a meaningful way. And as promised, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial we've partnered up with Salesflare to offer. Click the link below to start using it for free. Thanks for watching. And if you're serious about growing your business, setting up a referral program with Salesflare is definitely the way to go.